funny if it was last night.
You'd fall right down over there. Boom! Into the water. Probably 200 feet up. There's Sheena's butt. And she's dancing. And we just got finished at the beach.
Jumping over.
Oh, she fell over.
Oh.
Crazy. Look at that little door. Oh, this is my cottage. I'm here.
Yeah. The witch is living there. Just kidding.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Who's there?
Giuseppe.
Oh, I hope not. That's a fake laugh.
Yeah, that's true. You have an alcoholic face. What is this? Turn around. You.
Oh, they like
Ooh,
it.
that's pretty. You mean the Speedo? Speedo man?
Speedo man? He was wearing a colorful towel.
Here.
Oh.
The Speedo man. It's no good.
No good. No good.
Jennifer's tan. Jennifer's tan. Oh, ouch, ouch, owie.
Ooh. Bam. Oh, look at this. That is pretty.
Is this the main beach already? Nice. No, I don't think this is. I don't remember the end is like this.
Oh, maybe it's not.
Do you remember any of it? Not so much.
Not so much. Thanks, my bag. Thank you. Oh, it's warm right there.
Yeah, it's a warm pocket.
Oh, look at that. You got to get that on you.
Okay, this is my house.
Your house.
Compared to yours.
Yeah. Sheena's house.
I am home.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Go up the steps. Knock, knock. Who's there? Oh, thunderstorm. Who's ever watching this is going to be sick.
Oh, you're upside down, honey.
Oh. Sorry.
Did you film the whole thing upside down, Laura?